I've said for a long time the important aspect of building a successful niche website. As it turns out, effective keyword research is also very important for e-commerce sites, bloggers, and any other business or personal site that produces blog posts or other content they hope will rank in Google. In this Longtail Pro review, not only am I going to share the pros and cons of the software tool, but I'll also share some of my tips for keyword research and competition analysis in general. Pros: get keyword suggestions in bulk. The keyword competitiveness score is excellent. The competitor analysis screen really helps you do a deep dive on how likely you are to rank above your competitors in Google. The rank tracker is accurate and extremely easy to use. Cons: the limit on manual keywords could be higher. The limit on seed keyword could be higher. The text and URLs in the competitor analysis could be displayed a little better. What is Longtail Pro? A quick overview. If you've made it this far, you likely already know what Longtail Pro is all about. However, let me offer a quick explanation. Longtail Pro is a keyword research tool that helps you quickly find low-competition keywords for your website. In particular, the tool is built for people doing SEO, search engine optimization, as opposed to people doing paid ads, Google AdWords PPC. I'm sure there are some advertisers that use the tool for paid ad keyword research, but the tool was built for SEO keyword research. In a nutshell, Longtail Pro helps you quickly find keywords in bulk based on a seed keyword that you input. In addition to returning hundreds of related keywords, the tool also shows search volume, monthly search volume, advertiser bid, number of words, rank value, and my favorite keyword competitiveness, helps you judge the competition and keyword difficulty. The pros of Longtail Pro: what does it do well? Overall, there are a ton of great features for Longtail Pro. Here's a short list of just a few that I'd like to highlight. Get keyword suggestions in bulk. You can input up to 5 seed keywords at a time, and the tool will pull back as many as 400 related keyword per seed keyword, originally based on data from the Google Keyword Planner. In addition, you can input manual keywords and get all the stats if you happen to already have a large list of keywords. The keyword competitiveness score is excellent. This score will tell you between 0 and 100 how difficult it will be to rank in Google. For this score alone, the tool is worth the money in my opinion. Use multiple projects for multiple websites or blogs. I love being able to have different projects in the tool to organize my keywords per website, category, or other method. The competitor analysis screen really helps you do a deep dive on how likely you are to rank above your competitors in Google. The rank tracker is accurate and extremely easy to use. It also includes projects so you can keep domains separate if you want. The cons of Longtail Pro: what doesn't it do well? I don't think there is any software tool that is perfect. So, depending on your situation, some of these cons may be a bigger deal to you. The limit on manual keywords could be higher. I personally wish we could input 10,000 keywords at a time, instead of 200. However, I understand the costs that Longtail Pro has to maintain each time a new manual keyword is input. Not a deal breaker, I just wish the limit was higher. To be fair, I don't think most keyword tools have a bulk manual option at all. The limit on seed keyword could be higher. Again, I just want more of a good thing. The limit is currently 5, I wish it were 10 or more. The text and URLs in the competitor analysis could be displayed a little better. The text is sometimes uneven. Pro tips, features, and tutorial. Now I want to dive into the meat of this review and show how you can start finding long-tail keywords. I want to show you how I use the tool and potentially how it can help your website or blog do better. To get started, you need to input some seed keywords. They could come from forums, Amazon, other websites or blogs, or even other keyword research software tools like SEMrush. I sometimes use SEMrush to find the keywords my competitors are ranking for, especially competition with low domain authority, and then do the analysis in Longtail Pro. Once you hit retrieve, Longtail Pro will work its magic and generate all the long-tail keywords for you along with the average KC score, volume, bid, words, and rank value. Now, if you sort by average KC, you can immediately cherry-pick which long-tail keywords are the easiest to rank for in Google. For example, I just input a few seed keywords related to survival knives, and this is my results. I already found dozens of long-tail keywords that are potentially easy to rank for. A quick word about the average KC score. The KC, keyword competitiveness, score is a number between 1 and 100 that tells you how difficult it will be to rank on the first page of Google for that search term. The general rule of thumb is that anything under 30 is easy, and anything over 40 starts to get pretty difficult, depending on how authoritative your website is. If your website is new or has low authority, say under a DA of 35, I wouldn't really target keywords with a KC score of over 30. The 30 to 35 range is medium difficulty. But most of the time, I always avoid keywords over a KC of 35, even with my more authoritative sites. Why go after difficult keywords, if there are plenty of easy long-tail keywords ripe for the picking? So, the average KC score looks at the first page of Google and how authoritative those sites are that are ranking for the search term. The calculation takes several factors into account, including overall authority, number of links, and how well the page is targeting that specific keyword. The most important thing for you to know is that many people have looked at this calculation, and it typically performs better when compared to competing tools. Overall, the average KC score works. Look at the KC score, and if it's under 30, you've got a potential winner on your hands. Competitor analysis. If you want to do some of your own analysis on the keyword ideas to truly see what the first page of Google, organic traffic, looks like, you can click on the keyword and get a more in-depth competitor analysis screen. I often just use the KC score and that's it, but sometimes I want a deeper dive. Here's an example. There is a lot to look at here, but I would focus on the average keyword competitiveness, 22 in this example. The trust flow and citation flow. External backlinks. Site age. Got cut off on this screenshot. How well each result is using the keyword in the title. Longtail Pro bolds the keyword so it's easy to see for you. Best anti-slip shower mat looks like a keyword worth considering. Rank tracker. I love the fact that Longtail Pro comes with the rank tracker. Want to track how the keywords are driving more traffic in Google? Just pop them in the rank tracker and Longtail Pro will automatically check their positions for ranking in Google each 24 hours. You also have the ability to track the rankings in Yahoo and Bing if you want, but what internet marketers would do that? You can also select a different location if you want to see how your keywords are performing in countries outside the United States. I know this becomes quick useful for online entrepreneurs targeting the Google SERPs in other countries. The results quickly show you where your niche site is currently ranking, but also keeps a history of where you used to rank. You can easily see if your positions are higher or lower in Google over the past week or past month. And if you click on an individual keyword, you can see the history for as long as you've been tracking it. You can even export the results if you want for your own use, or if you are tracking for clients, you can send them the exports. Longtail Pro questions and answers. What plan should I buy? Right now, there are the options of the Starter, Pro, or Agency plans. If you are an individual just started out, you are most likely just fine starting out with the Starter plan. You get 1,000 keyword lookups per 24 hours and 30 tracked keywords. If you are a more seasoned entrepreneur with a few sites, you might consider the Pro plan. This will give you 2,500 keyword lookups per day and 200 tracked keywords. Finally, if you have a team and are a more established business, the Agency plan might be the appropriate option, which allows 6,000 keyword lookups per 24 hours and 1,000 tracked keywords. How do I download Longtail Pro? Longtail Pro is no longer a desktop application. Since 2016, The tool has been a web-based software application, so there is nothing to download. If you have questions about whether or not you bought the desktop or online version, please contact support. How do I cancel Longtail Pro? In order to cancel your subscription, just log into the tool, then go to the billing screen and click Cancel Account. It's as easy as that. Is Longtail Pro worth the price? With the starter plan of just $25 per month currently, it's a relatively low investment to get started. And when you consider that you also get the track keywords as bonus to the core keyword research features, there really is a lot of value there. A popular keyword tracking tool charges $49 per month to track 250 keywords, but provides no keyword research or competitor analysis features. With the Pro plan of Longtail Pro, you get 200 keyword track and all the keyword research and competitor analysis features for just $45 per month. Overall summary. Overall, I'm a fan of Longtail Pro and it has a user-friendly interface. Yes, there have been a few changes and improvements that could be made, such as being able to search more seed keywords at once, or more manual keywords at once. However, I still use the software on a regular basis to find keywords and check the competition levels. In addition, when you throw in the fact that Longtail Pro will also track the rankings of your keywords, the price becomes much more appealing. If you are a content marketer looking for a tool to generate profitable ideas and great keywords, you should give it a try. If you are a blogger or doing affiliate marketing, and have been on the fence about trying Longtail Pro, I would encourage you to give it a try. You can always cancel at any time if you have finished your keyword research or decide you want to try something else.